In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily change the capitalization of text in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a report, crafting an email draft, or working on a creative project, knowing how to adjust text between lowercase, uppercase, and title case quickly can save you time and ensure your document looks exactly as you want. Let's dive right in. First, open up the document you want to edit in Google Docs. If you haven't navigated to Google Docs before, just head to your Google Drive and find the document, or you can start a new one from scratch. It's completely up to you. Once your document is open, the next thing we want to do is find the specific text you'd like to change the capitalization of. This could be a single word, a sentence, or even a large block of text, whatever makes sense for your document. To select the text, simply click and drag your cursor over the words you need to modify. You'll notice the text will be highlighted, which means it's selected and ready for the next step, so don't worry if it turns a light shade of blue or another color according to your settings. This indicates that any changes you make will be applied to that specific area. Now, with your text selected, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. We're looking for the Format option. Clicking on Format will open a drop-down menu, and from here, navigate to the Text option. Move your cursor to Text, hover over it for a second, and you'll see a cascade of additional options appear. Among these, you'll spot Capitalization. Click on it, and a further set of choices will emerge. You're almost there. At this point, you have 3 different ways to adjust your text. The first option is lowercase, which will convert all the letters in your selected text to, you guessed it, lowercase. This is especially useful when dealing with blocks of text accidentally typed with the caps lock on. Alternatively, if you want to make a strong impact with your writing, for instance in a title or call to action, select uppercase, and every letter will morph into a capital letter, providing that bold emphasis. Lastly, there's the title case option, where the first letter of each word becomes uppercase. This is perfect for headings or when you want to give your document a more polished look. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can change the capitalization in Google Docs, allowing you to present your text precisely how you envisioned. This functionality is one of those handy little tricks that once you're aware of, you'll find plenty of opportunities to use. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find this tip helpful in your future work in Google Docs.